G'day guys, Mick here. So today's episode of 5 Minute Yarns is going to be a bit of a rehash of pigs in the bush. Now, I'm up in the Wattigans. I decided for a bit of an impromptu weekend away, or night away at least. So I came up to my favourite little spot, and you can tell people have been here pretty recently. There's actually a fire pit over the other side there that's still quite hot. No flames, but still quite warm. But anyway, so I've come here, and the first thing obviously I do when I get to any campground, or up in here anyway, is collect some firewood, because Forestry Commission I'm allowed to. But yeah, go for a walk through the bush, and I'll give you a look at what I find within sort of 20 metres of my camp, maybe 50 metres. So there we have nappy wipes, more rubbish, cans over there, bit of paper or something there, more here. Now these are nappy wipes, they're not biodegradable, so I don't believe you should be using them in the bush, and you shouldn't just be leaving them there. There's more down that way, piece there, come back up to the car. There's a Canadian Club can over there. There's a VB bottle just around here somewhere. I did see it earlier. Again, I will be picking as much of this up as I can before I leave. I come just into the scrub here. There's the VB bottle just in amongst the bush here. Another bottle just there. Now some people may say they can't see this one, but I can, even though it is camo. Another bottle there. Broken seat. Woodstock can. Now this is my favourite little campground. There's bricks in here, I don't know why you need bricks. More bottles. More around the log there. More nappy wipes thrown into the bush. Again, they're not biodegradable. Don't use the damn things. Toilet paper. And bury it. And then even at the fire pit. Now, there's some tissues over behind the tree here. There's more crap here. I don't know why you need to make that one when you've already got this one. Well, seriously, why do you need two fire pits right next to each other? But then, this is some of the firewood I've collected. There's metal. Don't even know what that'd be bloody off, but whatever it is, it's pretty solid. And then there's more toilet tissues or nappy wipes or something thrown up in the scrub here. You can see up in there. So, and that's not it. I could walk all around here a little bit more, and I could find a shitload more rubbish. But now this is my favourite little campsite. I like it because it's not a overly popular one. It's a bit more secluded than most, rather than going into the pines or something like that. Now I like a little camp spot that's quiet and peaceful. So that's why I come out here. But then obviously people are getting out here and they're just trashing the place. So I really don't get the need for it. If you can bring your rubbish into the bush, you can take your rubbish out. If you break a chair, you brought it in, you can take it out. But even aside from taking your own rubbish out of the bush, there's several garbage bins on the way out of here. Alright, to get out of here, you go past the Pines picnic area. There's a drop toilet, and there's about 3 or 4 garbage bins along the track there. And, you know, if they're all chock-a-block, well, you can always sit next to the bins at least, like a lot of people have done. That they're all overflowing this weekend. But you've got the Pines, you've got Only Headquarters Campground. There's a number of campgrounds pretty close by here that you can put your rubbish in. But, you know, even if they are full and you don't want to leave a bag sitting there, take it home. You brought it in, take it home. So, alright guys, that's my 5-minute yarn for pigs in the bush part 2, I guess. I'm going to have a drink, relax for 5 minutes, and then I guess I'll get my stuff together and I'll garbage bag out and my little tongs, and I'll go for a walk and pick some of this up. Alright, peace guys, take care, and I'll see you on the tracks.